Welcome to Law Talents. Today we're going to discuss a case decided by the Supreme Court, in which Section 27 is involved. It pertains to the disclosures made by more than one accused in a case. The matter is decided in 2026 INSC 417. The question that is raised in this case is whether the joint disclosures by accomplices to crime is admissible as against each one of them. Now, Section 27 says that part of the part of information given by an accused person while in the custody of police officer may be proved against him as distinctly relates to the fact which is thereby discovered. That in short is the definition of Section 27. Now in Navjot Sandhu, the court said that the extent to such simultaneous disclosure could be relied upon by the court is really a matter of evaluation of evidence, which means that the trial court itself has to decide as to its admissibility. And in Nagamma versus State of Karnataka, also the court had stressed on the need for the court to decide on the proper evaluation of evidence, whether and to what extent such a simultaneous disclosure should be relied upon. Now, also in Mohammed Abdullah's case, the confession of joint accomplices may not be totally eschewed from evidence, and the question that is involved is as to whether the officer, the investigating officer, had given the exact words which have been said by each of the accused, and as to what discovery had taken place. Now, the case on hand here, the appeals were from preferred by second and fourth accused, and it's a case of murder under Section 302. The evidence against the second and fourth accused were two. One is that an independent witness had said that the deceased was last seen together with the first accused and also the other accomplices. And second is the confessional statement by all the accused, leading to discovery of objects. The court said that the confessional statement is hit by Section 55 and that it cannot be marked as an exhibit. And also, court said that the seizure Mahasa was not prepared in accordance with the law, and also that the witness, the Mahasa witness, had not stated the exact statements made by each of the accused in his presence. So it cannot be said that the discovery of objects were at the instance of each of the accused. And the court pointed out that the whatever discovery has happened as disclosed by one of the accused, now the same information, same discovery cannot be said to have happened as disclosed by this second, because it is the same matter which has been discovered. So that cannot be admissible under Section 27. This is more pertinent in the matter of joint disclosures. An example was given that 2 or 3 accused persons were supposing 2 or 3 persons were to make statements in quick section, giving an information, and then the police proceed to discover different facts from different places. In such a case, though the statement made by them is treated as joint, yet the discovery is not joint because the discovery of different facts from different places. Such discovery in the court is admissible under Section 27. Now, in this particular case, the court came to the conclusion that the evidence under Section 27 could not be relied upon, and therefore the convicting the accused under last seen theory is totally out of question. But the judgment seems to suggest that joint disclosure by co-accused persons admissible under Section 27 if each person disclosure leads to discovery of separate fact, and such disclosure is recorded separately in the presence of independent witness. Another matter to be kept in mind is that Section 27 discovery is only corroborative evidence, not substantive, and such evidence by itself cannot carry conviction unless supported by other evidence of corroborative nature. Thanks for watching. I will be back with more in the next episode. Thank you very much.